What up, Bleak Riders? So, I'm gonna have a visitor tonight. Gonna stay through till Monday. Hildy's excited. She's already watching for him. My friend and yours, RainyRider, is coming to stay, coming to visit me. I'm honored. So, here in a few hours, or whenever he's able to make it, there'll be a great big old BMW sitting outside my house. With my dear friend, I got some pizzas, I got some beers waiting for us. He's gonna meet my wife. She's hiding off camera. I'm excited for this weekend. I can't wait to see what kind of trouble we get into riding together. Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm so excited. Rainy's almost here. It's 8:20 here in Des Moines. I got my low rent cardboard sign going. Driveway wide open. Party going on next door. And the RainyRider sign for our expected dignitary. How about that? Is it weird? I'm mildly nervous. You know, when you have a friend into your home, you take a risk. You get a chance of somebody judging you. Now, do I think Rainy'd ever do that? No. But I worry, you know, is my home clean enough? Is there enough space? I've got him on an air mattress. I mean, our second bedroom is my wife's office, so I hope it's all okay. I hope it all is acceptable to my friend. It matters to me that he's comfortable while he's here, that he finds Iowa as an inviting place as I do. Should be here. There he is.
Pull up.
Oh yeah, come on in.
Oh my god, your driveway's... I'll just leave it here for now.
That's perfect. Perfect. You made it.
I did make it.
Day 2, having RainyRider here. Had a nice evening, had some pizza, had some beers. He got some rest. Getting the bikes ready. RainyRider! Oh, what a beautiful bike, huh? Fucking cool rims. Cool bike, man. Cool boards. This thing's set up so fucking spaceship-like. Oh, yeah. Lots of fancy tech. Very cool. You'll have to let us know in the comments below who wears black better. The cowboy or the rider. That sounded hokey as Stay tuned for more.
Alright folks, out on the bikes. Got RainyRider in my rear view right there. And we're headed out to a place I like to go. Saylorville Spillway. The Rainy and the Bleak ride together. So as I was saying, we're headed out to Saylorville Lake Spillway. Real pretty place. Real nice set of roads out to it. We got estimated time till arrival about 11 minutes. That's a lie. It'll take us a little longer than that to get out there. Everybody check out Rainy's new boots. They are pretty. I'm telling my people about your boots. Repping Indy Ridge.
Here at the Saylorville Spillway with my friend and fellow rider, RainyRider. Look at them pretty bikes. All right, back on the bikes. Get headed to Kung Fu Tap and Taco. Nice time for a beverage. Nice time for a taco. Y'all see Rainy there in my side view mirror. He's my brother. Brotherhood is a bond. It's forged not by blood, but by the trials we endure together. It's the understanding that when the world turns its back on you, there's someone who's got you. Your brother. It isn't just about shared experiences, it's about shared purpose. Shared sacrifice. A brother is more than just a friend. He's the one who walks with you through the fire. Who faces the storm by your side when the roads get rough and it feels like you're riding alone. It's your brothers who remind you that you're never truly by yourself. They're the ones who lift you when you've fallen, who believe in you when you doubt, and who fight with you, not against you. In this life, we all need that. We need to know that there's someone who sees us for who we are and stands by us even when we struggle to stand on our own. That's the essence of brotherhood. It's not about perfection or never disagreeing. It's about sticking together when it matters most. So, me and Rainy went for a nice little ride around the lake, and now we're here. Kung Fu Tap and Taco. One of my favorite places. Good eats, good brews, man. Can't go wrong. We're gonna have ourselves a refreshing beverage, hit back on the road. I'm not gonna show you this, or at least I'm not gonna include the audio. Here, RainyRider is interviewing local bartender and lady of amazing talents, Tiff. Go check that out on his channel for the full interview. What we have here is the RainyRider in his natural habitat. Here you see him talking with some of the local flora and fauna. As you see, the consummate observer and interactor with the locals. Charming the pants off a group at a table. And being the Rainy, the rider. Fuck yeah. Rainy, while I got you here, how has Iowa treated you?
Iowa's been awesome. Iowa's probably, and I said this in my video earlier, it was one of the first cities I've been to where just as many car drivers will wave at you as motorcyclists.
Oh yeah.
So I like it.
What has been the best part of your trip so far?
Sleeping on your air mattress last night.
Yeah?
Now, the best part, probably the reservoir, the dam.
Oh yeah. We got a lot of pretty stuff to see.
And the bagel.
Woo! Just had a good old time. As you see, we're back on the road. Me and Rainy. Gonna make one more little stop before heading back. We got some clouds coming in. Hopefully we're not gonna get rained on. I hope not anyway.
I want to take a moment to say thank you to Rainy for coming to visit me. He brought me some prizes I won over on his channel. Be sure to go check out his channel. If you're not already, subscribe. The man's making amazing motorcycle content, doing real amazing motorcycle interviews.
That place is awesome. I love that place. I love that place. It's a good bar, good people. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. And let me say thank you to all of you for checking out my video, coming along on the ride, and like Rainy here is, experiencing a little bit of Des Moines flavor, Des Moines bike culture. It's here. We're hidden among the cornfields, but we're out here saying, live, thrive, survive, and if you can, just ride.